Hi, today I'm going to show you how to build a handheld solar scorcher. Now this solar scorcher can create heat of up to 2,000 degrees Fahrenheit, burning literally anything you choose to burn by the power of the sun. So, just as an example, you can take a regular picture frame, remove the glass, get a Fresnel lens. Now you can get this anywhere from a hardware store to a Dollar Tree. Price varies, of course, but it has to be the same size to fit into the frame. Little less, of course. It just snaps right in. And there is your solar scorcher, handheld solar scorcher. Now you can build a little triangular stand for it if you want to, that can swivel, but I prefer to do it just handheld. I'm going to take a piece of black cardstock paper and let's test out our solar scorcher. Get pointed directly, there we go. Power of the sun. Okay, let's try it again. Focus toward the sun. "2,000 degrees, direct from the sun." Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time.